Good evening, everyone. Happy Monday. This is Professor Harmon here. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what is due this upcoming week and what I would like you to actually work on and really understand and really get a handle on. So for this week, if you scroll down through the Unit 1, you'll see that week 5 is pretty bare. I didn't list specific readings. I didn't list a ton of assignments because I really want you to take the time this week to really reflect and think about all of the texts that you have read thus far. So we've looked at some texts from women during this time period. We've looked at different types of texts, right? We've looked at short stories. We looked at poems. We've looked at naturalist texts versus realist texts. We have reviewed several different types of texts from this time period, okay? What I would like you to do this week is to not only watch the video, Writing About Literature Using Quotations, which is in the folder under Unit Videos, but I also want you to choose your own text to read. So you are going to flip through Volume C, choose one text, either a realist text or a naturalist text, it's up to you, and I would like you to basically give an overview, not a summary of plot. I really don't need to know about plot. I'm sure I already know about plot, but I want you to introduce me to the author, talk about the theme of the piece, like what do you think was the purpose for this author to write this text, and then talk a little bit about how it reflects the time period in which we're talking about, okay? Go back to those essential questions, all right, and really start to ask yourself, well, how did the time period and the setting influence the writing style of this author? How do we get a sense of the culture of the time period by reading this text? And how is this text maybe different or similar to the previous text that you have read? Okay, so I'm going to write all of this up so you have it, so you have the assignment in front of you, but that's what I'm looking for you to do for Journal Entry 1. So you're going to go over to My Journal Entries, you're going to click that, and you're going to click Reflection Journal Entry. You're going to click Create Journal Entry, and then you are going to write or attach a file. You can even attach a Word document if that works for you, but I'm going to ask that one paragraph talk about the text that you chose and answer those essential questions in response to the text that you chose. And then your second paragraph is just going to reflect on your experience so far taking an American literature course online. All right, so how does it feel having some discussion board assignments, taking quizzes, watching the videos, taking some notes? How does it feel? Do you feel overwhelmed? Do you feel comfortable? Are you enjoying the readings? And then also share with me some of the major things that you learned from Unit 1. Okay, so 2 paragraphs. One that talks about the text that you chose to read and how it basically gives you some insight to the time period, to the culture, to the author's purpose. And make sure that you cite specific examples from the text to get full credit. Second paragraph, you are providing an overview of, your response to this unit and to this online experience. Okay? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I would like this journal entry to be due by Sunday. Okay, Sunday at 7 o'clock. Please. Any issues, let me know. But this is a very, it's formal but not formal. Okay, it's formal in that I want proper grammar, proper paragraph organization. I want proper citation. Informal meaning, you can use the word I, you can make it more of a personal piece. All right, I hope that's helpful. Any other questions, do not hesitate to contact me. All right, have a great week. Bye.